Hello everyone. My name is Jadhav Sanjay. I am from Department of Chemistry, New Arts, Commerce and Science College, Parne. My topic is the group 14 element. Group 14 element is also called as the carbon group and it's contain carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. The general electronic configuration of group 14 element is NS2NP2. The common oxidation state of this carbon family is plus 4, but plus 2 state become increasingly important for heavier element like tin and lead. For example, PbCl2 and PbCl4. PbCl2 is more stable than PbCl4 due to inert pair effect. And this carbon group, that is group 14 element, are show catenation properties, and the tendency of catenation properties is the carbon is very greater than other element. The non-metal carbon exists as an element in several form. You are familiar with two of them, such as diamond and graphite. Diamond and graphite are also called as the allotrope of carbon. Carbon also found in all living things. Carbon is followed by metalloid silicon, an abundant element content in sand. Sand contains ground up particle of minerals such as quartz, which is composed of silicon and oxygen. Glass is an important product made from sand. Silicon and germanium are metalloid. They are used in electronic as semiconductor. What is meant by semiconductor? Semiconductor is the doesn't conduct electricity as well as metal but does conduct electricity better than non-metal. Tin and lead are the two heaviest element in group 14 and it is something differ than other element like carbon, silicon. Lead is used to protect your torso during dental x-ray. It also is used in car batteries, low melting alloys, protecting shielding around nuclear reactor and container used for storing and transporting radioactive materials. It's also used as toothpaste and the coating on steel can use for food. Next is the allotropes of carbon. So most of the elements show allotropy. Carbon exists in two crystalline form like diamond and graphite. Beside this, there are microcrystalline form like coal, coke, charcoal, carbon black. These all are amorphous in nature. Diamond is the purest form of carbon, in which carbon is sp3 hybridized. In graphite, carbon is sp2 hybridized. Although diamond is the hardest substance known, but thermodynamically, graphite is more stable than diamond. Diamond, all in this structure, diamond is tetragonal and it's having sp3 hybridization and all bonding is the covalent bonding. This is structure of diamond. It is the very hardest material and having high melting point. It is colorless compound and is used in the form of jewelry. Second is the graphite. Graphite is a layer-like structure. This structure is the graphite and it is the layer-like structure. In each layer, carbon atoms are arranged in hexagonal planar arrangement. Hexagonal planar arrangement and having hybridization will be sp2. In this structure, 6 sorry, 3 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond are neighbor to each other, and it is the good conductor of heat and electricity. It is very soft and having low melting point. It is black in color and used as a lubricant. Third is the fullerene. Fullerene consists a new series of allotrope of carbon first characterized in 1985 in the form of cluster. This is the fullerene. Fullerene is also called as C60, and this is discovered by Buckminster Fuller in 1985. It is spherical football like geometry and its having general formula is C60. It contains 20 hexagon and 12 pentagon and carbon atom fused with one another and forming football like structure. Let's see this football like structure. It is the fullerene and it discovered by Buckminster Fuller. Graphite under high voltage gives fullerenes in the form of carbon black. Then under treatment with benzene then gives wine red color solution and form as fullerenes. These fullerenes is formed by using graphite, and hence graphite is the sp2 hybridization. That's why fullerene also sp2 hybridization. Now next, carbon nanotube. It is also called as shortly CNT. And how to prepare CNT? Let's see. After discovery of fullerene, carbon nanotube are discovered. These are new tubular form of carbon nanotube are synthesized by streaking. In 2D graphite sheet are rolled up and form cylinder like structure will be formed. This cylinder like structure, this is cylinder like structure called as carbon nanotube. It is very thin and diameter about 1 to 0.3 nanometer and length will be more as compared to its diameter, that is in micrometer. Inner side of this CNT will be hollow. It is show very mechanical properties